In my country, and most of the world as I know it, the work week starts on Monday morning, and the weekend starts on Friday evening. In the Muslim world, the work week starts on Sunday morning, and the weekend begins on Thursday evening due to important Friday prayers. But here in Iran, the work week starts on Saturday morning, yet still ends on Thursday evening, making the weekend here one day shorter than everyone else's. I didn't realize this until I was walking around Tehran this Saturday morning and noticed everything being so busy. The streets are mobbed with traffic. Businesses are all open, except for restaurants since it's Ramadan. Bazaars are in full force.
We have nuts, dry fruits, barberries, kind of berries.
And the atmosphere is just electric. I really have to keep reminding myself that today is Saturday and not Monday. This is just one of those travel things that you would never realize until you experience it for yourself. And although I just arrived in this lovely country, I'm already having dozens of these realizations, like snowy mountaintops in May. I'm truly loving this place. So just remember, while your next Saturday may be spent like this, in Iran, it's exactly the opposite. I'm Drubinski, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.